Can you still dropship low ticket products in 2021? And by low ticket, I view that as any product under $30. In this video, I'm going to go to the absolute extremes and cover this topic once and for all if you can sell stuff that costs you $1 to buy. Let's go to the office. All right, so we're back now in my main setup office. I'm gonna jump right into my computer. Let's do it. So as you can see on my screen, there are tons of low ticket products on my AliExpress feed right now. There's these phone chargers that ship from China that cost us what? $1 or $2, not that much. There's these ultra famous super drop shipping type lion bracelets with the crown and everything. Everyone's seen those, and again, shipping those from China cost what? Maybe $2, $3. Can those still be sold in 2021? The unfortunate answer is
no.
No, God, no! No, probably not. At least most people won't recommend it. Facebook ad costs are rising, your margins are going to be super slim, and even if you have a solid influencer marketing program and do all the right things with your email, it's just going to be hard to make money unless you get people buying multiple bracelets, multiple pieces of accessories, upsells, cross-sells, downsells, everything. It's a little bit harder. That's why I recommend that at least sell products that can be sold for $30 or higher. The sky is the limit. Anything under $30 these days, assuming that most people are only going to buy one piece and spend 20 bucks, it's just not as feasible in 2021. Now, of course, you can still make profit and do decently well, but it's not going to be anything huge as if you were to just take that little extra work and step and just try a little bit harder and sell a higher ticket item. Even if these products meet the other two pillars like mass appeal, wow factor, they're eye-catching, etc., if the margins aren't good, I'm not interested and you shouldn't be either. And that's pretty much how fast this video can quickly go by. If you believe that there should be a reason to sell low ticket products, feel free and comment below on why you think so, but that's my point of view. If margins aren't big, I'm not interested. Aim for that $30 or plus price point and stay away from all these cheap things. Of course, there's that volume game you can play, but it's just not worth it in my opinion. No need to talk about it. All the other products I'm going to feature in this winning product breakdown series are going to be things that you can sell for a higher markup in most cases. Don't forget, drop that thumbs up if this video is valuable, if you're starting out and you're just new and I'm really helping you out. Let me know by subscribing, dropping a thumbs up, or just doing both. I have to remind you. With that being said, see you guys in the next video. Peace.